Hello! Good morning vlog! Today is our date of our Taiwan adventures and we're going to Yingting University! Yes, Lauren! Today is November 10, 2018, 6 in the morning. See ya! Bye! Now, ako namang ticket on our way to China. Yes, time check, it's already 7:10 in the morning and we're on our way to China where they shoot Meteor Garden. Right?
初次见你，一双迷人的眼睛，在我脑海里，你的身影挥散不去。握你的双手，感觉你的温柔，真的有点透不过气。你的天真，我想珍惜。 看到你受委屈，我会伤心。
Yes, and we're looking for breakfast foodang. And muli ang mga foodang. Wow, a lot of choices. Yeah.
这边来自OK， 看这边。
Yes, and finally, welcome to Yangting University, Lauren. Yes, I'm so happy right now. Tada! And finally, we're in Yangting inside. Look at the view; it's so beautiful here. Yes, I've dreamed of this since high school pa. Oh my God. Happy lang! Yes, this is the building and then like an iron. Diba? Looks so family. Yes, look at that view. Love. And this is the front building. I don't know kung saan scene, but this is in Yangting University. Yes, and finally I'm here! Diba? First episode ng Meteor Garden. Lovely shot! So beautiful! Here. Oh my gosh, this is so high school! Yes, I'm so happy! Arte! Yes, and this is where they charot. Sa first episode katong na atong mga matita, pahambugay ana diri ato nga areang scene. Oh my God, this is so high school life. Yes, and we are here. Laban. And yes, this is the inside of Yangting University. Charot. Here is the gymnasium. May mga nag-exercise dito. And there is the pool. Ito na area. And Yes, ito po yung mga estudyante nila. Yes, mga exchange student. We are on our way to the locker 150. Here we come. Oh my god, I've been waiting for this moment. Nakakaiyak. So excited. Oh my god, we're here. Oh my god. This is the locker view in the university. Oh, I love it. Yes, time check. It's already 2 in the afternoon and we're on our way back now to the city proper. We're taking again the high-speed railway Taiwan. Still with you, Joy, and with them. Had so much fun at Kingdom University. So much. Bears. We're just having a quick lunch. Here at Taichung High-Speed Railway Station. It's 7-Eleven. Yes. Sponsor. Love it. Yes, time check it already. 4:95 in the afternoon and we're now here in Chuvanes Flower Market. And let's fight for it. Yes, we're here. And upon entering, you can see my fish pond. Koi, let's see first. Yes, welcome to Hardin ni Mama. And we're here. Mga bulaklak. Everything. Beautiful. Yes, all the flowers, everything. Oh my gosh. Try natin ang mga bulak sa taba. Yes, ang ganda. Yes, ang ganda. This place is so amazing. And it's very colorful, just as me in my life. Bada na natin to. Yes, diba? Iba-ibang variants ng flower. As you can see. Yes. Let's have a quick tour. I love it. I want that one. And there's my Joy having photo sesh with Madel. Laban. Yes, it's so beautiful here. Look at the view. Chas. Yes, time check, it's 5 p.m. And yes, hinahabol ko naman yung linings. The pictorials. Ay, nandiyan na pa si Loki. Laban mga kabakan. Sulit lang. Yes, and time check is already 9:20 in the evening. We're just having a quick break. Yes, dahil ng mga stress in life. Laban. Yes, and we're on our way to Shilla Night Market to have some dinner. Yes. Good evening, Taipei. Love. Yes. This is Shilla Night Market of Taipei. Love, love, love. Yes, this is street food heaven. Love, love, love. So much love. A lot of choices and pudang. Yes, Taiwan at night. Yes, time check, it's 11 in the evening and we're still in Shilla Night Market looking for milk tea. Yes.